The only way to get there, like I said, is to bring order to your personal life. Okay, so these 4 cards, they come down. They do not occupy any of the 10 spheres. They represent the 4 worlds of the Hebrew Kabbalah, which is starts with Atziluth in descending order, Bria, Yetzirah, and when you're talking about that in English, well, you're talking about emanation, which is associated with Atziluth, creation, which is associated with Bria, and then water is associated with Yetzirah, emotion, and then the 4th level is earth, which is action. So it makes total sense to me, after reading so many books before I actually began the 4 seasons calendar more than 22 years ago. Makes total sense to me. Well, it was about, I started the calendar actually a little less than 22 years ago. I don't know. The completion of the 22 years is this coming winter. So all that other stuff that I presented on my YouTube channel about, what I'm talking about now. You're learning and you're developing and you're understanding things on a ascending level. So once you understand something, you go to the next level, and you're getting to another. You're connecting another piece of the puzzle in your personal life. So the more knowledge you get, the more
there's no one on board, sir.
The more order you'll have in your personal life.
It must be a decoy, sir. Several of the escape pods.
So the only reason why we're such in a mess on the earth right now is simply because of this chaotic nature of humanity. We're not communicating logically. Everything makes perfect sense once you understand, the connections, for anything. There's beauty has order. Beauty has order, and that order, no matter how you look at it, is in you. You're the one that's creating the order, and to other people it could be chaotic. But if you see the order in your personal life, then you can help other people see it. But if you don't help other people see it, other people can't appreciate what you're seeing. And that's exactly the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. So you can see what I see. And in as much as this work that I'm doing is for the ascension of mankind, it's important we understand the connections of what I'm. Anyway, I think you understand what I'm talking about. Especially if you've been following my videos, every single day has a vibration that's different. And if you are familiar with those vibrations, you'll see how accurate it is to your own personal life. If you don't believe me, simply commit yourself to understand yourself, because if you got a better system, because there's no system as far as I'm concerned. than the system of spirit. And what I'm presenting you is the highest system I can think of. And